What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, June 5th. I'm gonna bring you guys along today. I think I'm gonna do some cleaning in today's video. I have to go buy a trash can. I have to go buy some home defense. Infested. Is that the word? Infested by ants. I don't know, but it was so bad. I had ants all over my kitchen and it was like from one second to another because I had just finished cooking and I had actually baked a cake, like just like a whatever cake for my cousin and myself, and then all of a sudden like I turned on the lights again and there was freaking ants everywhere. So I had to throw away my trash can, so I have to go to the dollar store, buy another trash can. I have to go pick up a couple other things, so I'm gonna do that and then I will probably show you guys everything I got when I get home. That's what we're gonna do today. So let's just let today take its course, huh? Hello. Open the door for mommy. Yeah, open the door for mama. Thank you. We just got home from the store and I'm gonna show you guys the couple things that I picked up at the dollar store. The first thing that I picked up that spilled all over the truck was this Febreze Downy April Fresh like spray, and then I got some of these fruit fly traps at Ace because of Grecia's bananas. I also got some of the plug-ins from Downy in the scent April Fresh also, because that's been my favorite for the past couple months or so. And then I picked up this Radiant Glow Diamond Dust and Lotus Blossom by Tone body wash, and then I picked up another conditioner. This is my favorite. It smells like gummy bears. This is the Garnier Fructis conditioner in the scent Apple Extract and Ceramide. I think that's how you would say it. I don't know, I could be wrong. And then I picked up 3-piece teas. These are my favorite. It's called the Caddyshack. This is just the tea and lemonade one. I got 3 of those. And then I got a bag of hot Funyuns for later. I got a pack of waters, a thing of almond milk for Grecia, and a new trash can. And I also got some food and some blackberries, which is what she's eating right now. So we're gonna eat our food, and then I think I'm going to clean out my refrigerator because it's a mess and there's just some old stuff in there that I want to clean out. So I'll show you guys how I do that.
sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.